you know, I'm the one who took those videos about the aliens. So I'm gonna show you my slime, and I have a big house right there, right about right there where my puppies are. I'll show you later, but let's just get to our thing. Sorry for the music. Okay, so I got this glue. Merry Christmas, by the way. Merry Christmas. So this is the slimes I have, but this white one, I'm still working on it. It's really cool to Tucson. And I think you guys will enjoy the song. So this is my pink slime. Does it look pink? It's made from this glue. And this video might be a little long, but I'm gonna dance for you guys after I make the slime. And I have this blue one that it is really stretchy, but it doesn't get the color of blue. So, I'm going to make a little bit of slime because I don't like stuff. We just got you ready for something. Okay, so we got right there. And so what you need is borax, but first you gotta by the way, I think you guys should try this experiment at home. Not slime, but borax and water smells so good. And if you just leave it there, it makes crystals. Okay, so we're gonna grab a little bit. That's about enough. And if you add too much borax, just add much more glue, because that makes it much more better. Back. It's gonna get in pieces. But I don't think we want to skip this part, okay? So I'm just gonna skip. Okay, so we got back and this slime is kind of sticky. That's how it's supposed to be. We're gonna pause again to mix this in really well. So apparently that was a fail. I'm shocked. I fail on slime every time. And plus, if it's not a fail, it's just so bored right now. And it's been 4 minutes and 12 seconds. 13 now. Waiting. So, hope you guys like this video. Comment down if you liked it. I'm hoping you're gonna say no, she's ugly, and I'm gonna say I don't care. I'll block the haters and double dab on them. So I hope you like it. Slime fail, but I will show you some of my slime before I do another video. I have the pink one. The wet one is pretty fluffy. Like, doesn't make a slime noise. And I have the blue one. Thank you guys for watching. So, hope you love it. Bye.